Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will see how to use split screen on Windows 11. So, let's dive right in. First, use the Snap Layouts feature. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button at the top right corner of any open window. You'll see different layout options appear. Click on the layout you prefer, and Windows will automatically snap the window into place. Then, simply choose another window to fill the remaining space. Second, you can drag and drop windows. Click and hold the title bar of a window, then drag it to the left or right edge of the screen. Release the mouse, and the window will snap to that half of the screen. On the other side, you can pick another open window to complete the split screen view. And there you have it. That's how you can easily use split screen on Windows 11 using two different methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.